Okay, hi there everybody, Daryl here doing another Riddler 99 box break. So I'm doing a box of 2011-2012 Upper Deck SP Authentic. It's going to be rotating in and out of the lineup with SPX. So whenever you see SPX, there's no SP Authentic and vice versa. This one ended on eBay, that's January 24th, between, I believe it was 9 and 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Winnipeg Jets was the last team. They ended at 9:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Current time is, let me just refresh that, Friday, January 25th at 1:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm getting tired. I'm doing the last break here of the night, and then that's it. You can see the serial number there is this NE16321149. I'm going to show it to you right now. Hopefully the auto focus on the camera will take it. Sometimes it likes it, sometimes it doesn't. And right now, it's going to make me manually do it. Alright, hold on one second, guys. My throat's starting to get a little croaky from talking. Alright, so if you go 1080p on YouTube and full screen this, you should be able to see, if I can get you some light, NE1632111149. You might have to stand on your head though. It is, of course, a sealed box of SP Authentic. This is actually the first box out of a fresh case of SP Authentic. I had no video proof of it, but it is. Most people can take my word for it. The only ones that do videos of being opened are the Cup and Dominion. Alright guys, I want to thank everybody for participating in the break, and wish everybody good luck here. So these boxes are going to probably go over the next 3.5 weeks. These 12 from this case. As I do one every second night. Base cards are not shipped with the SP Authentic breaks. Oh, sorry about that. However, the R rookies, so the Rookie Extended Series, are shipped. And there we go, empty box. Slide them all over there, and let's go. I'm going to try to do this fairly fast, so let's get moving here. Luc Robitaille, TJ Oshie, Bill Barber, Rookie Extended, Adam Larson get shipped. New Jersey Devils, Decoy, and Dwayne Rollison. Dan Cleary, Trevor Linden, Martin St. Louis. Oh, hello. We have a Rookie Extended, red parallel out of 10. Craig Smith, number 1 out of 10. First one of these I've pulled. Congratulations, Nashville. Nice hit. Decoy, Ryan Callahan. I've heard that those ones are out there, but I actually hadn't seen any. I didn't really do any searches on eBay, but I hadn't seen any myself. Roberto Luongo, Pecorine, Tyler Myers, Decoy. SP Essentials, Wayne Gretzky for the New York Rangers get shipped. And Luke Adam. Wait till it fixes. There we go. I like SP Authentic. I always did. Kuhlman, Sagan, Backstrom, Rookie Extended, Louis LeBlanc, Montreal Canadiens, Decoy, and Corey Crawford. I don't like how thick the decoys are though. They're too thick for my liking. Too heavy for shipping. Sedin, Solani, the rookie? Yes, he is. New York Islanders, Matt Campanella. Decoy, Kopitar, and David Jones. Halak, Orr, Kessler, Rookie Extended R53 for the Nashville Predators, Jeremy Smith. Decoy, and UC Okinen. Jonathan Toews, John Tavares, Steve Stamkos, Rookie Extended for the Edmonton Oilers, Teemu Hartikainen. Get it to focus. There we go. Decoy, Chara. want to come out. Sorry guys. I'm butchering this one. Does not want to open up and play. Kovalchuk, Leno, Vermette, Dubinsky, Decoy, Datsuk. First pack without anything in it to chip. Bobby Ryan, Keith Yandel, John Moore, rookie extended for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Decoy, Shane Doan, and Cam Ward. You can tell I'm slowing down, I'm getting kind of tired. Nick Foligno, Alexander Burrow, Ryan Getzlaff, rookie extended R34 for the Florida Panthers, Scott Timmins. Decoy, Malkin. Pavlik, Crosby, Marlowe, Larry Robinson, Decoy, Stephen Weiss. Patrick Kane, Sam Gagne, Joe Sakic, Future Watch, non-auto variation. For the Anaheim Ducks, Pat Maroon out of 999. Decoy, Zetterberg. Louis Erickson, Mike Green, Brendan Morrow. For the Florida Panthers, rookie extended, Eric Goodbranson. Decoy, Ryan Suter. Craig Anderson, Jordan Stahl, Danny Heatley, and something stuck. We have for the Ottawa Senators, Sign of the Times, Brian Lee. Decoy, Marian Hossa. Colin Wilson, Radim Verbata, Chris Osgood, Alex Ovechkin, Decoy, James Reimer Reason. Not Marty Reason there though. Rick Nash, Thomas Vokoun, Mike Modano, Rookie Hall of Effects, Sean Couturier, Philadelphia Flyers. Decoy, Nick Lidstrom. Down the final side of the box. The left-hand side, or right-hand side, I guess. Marc-Andre Fleury, Dan Boyle, Jonas Hiller, rookie extended for the Dallas Stars, Thomas Vinsuer. Decoy, Eric Johnson. These are always the longest videos, SP Authentic. I know I used to do just the hits video, but I kind of had to stop when I started doing 6 breaks. Brad Richards, Logan Couture, rookie extended for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Brian Strait. Plus I found no one was really watching. Decoy, James Neal, Johan Franzen. Kevin Shattenkirk, Tuukka Rask. Decoy, SP Essentials, Phil Kessel, Toronto Maple Leafs. Corey Perry and Mark Giordano. LeCavalier, Price, Park, rookie extended for the Minnesota Wild, Brett Bulmer. Decoy and Grabner. Kiprusoff, Miller, Setaguchi, rookie extended for the Ottawa Senators, Roman Wick. Decoy, Daniel Briere. Gretzky, Marcus Johansson, Brendan Shanahan, Rookie Hall of Effects for the Nashville Predators, Craig Smith. Decoy, and Mike Richards. 2 packs left. Eric Stahl, Ilya Bryzgalov, Future Watch Auto of $9.99 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Ben Holmstrom. Decoy, Brian Campbell, and Claude Giroux. Final pack. Patrick Berglund, Zach Parise, Patrice Bergeron, Future Watch Auto for the Winnipeg Jets, the big one for the Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele, if we get it to clear up. Number 844 out of 9.99. Good hit for the Jets. Decoy, and Dustin Byfuglien. And that's it for the box of SP Authentics, or I almost called it SPX. Alright guys, that's it. I have another one of this coming on Saturday night. I have SPX in its place tomorrow night, that is Friday night. Have a great day or night, everybody, when you get this.